Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 started the day lower, down 0.51% at 10,340.81. In Europe, the CAC 40 gained 1.15% and the DAX rose 0.6%, outperforming broader markets. In the US, sentiment weakened overnight. The Nasdaq fell 0.79% and the S&P 500 lost 0.4% as investors remain cautious around technology shares and geopolitical developments. In company news, broadcaster STV has raised its near-term advertising expectations thanks to stronger World Cup-related demand, although it warned that wider market conditions remain challenging. Raspberry Pi has lifted its annual profit forecast after a strong first half, highlighting continued demand for its products. Against sterling, the US dollar, euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar were firmer, while the Swiss franc eased. Bitcoin fell 2.52%. In commodities, copper, gold, Brent crude and natural gas all traded lower, with Brent crude down 0.86%. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.